Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, the problems of Nigeria are great and plentiful. We all know this. We all also know the people behind these problems. We can pretty much all individually list them one after the other without really missing out any names, and all the names we all come up with will all be similar. But sometimes we have to suspend disbelief and just have a laugh and a giggle with and at these people. So yesterday I brought you a video of the silly boy governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello, practicing boxing in preparedness for beating up Dino Melaye. So now it looks as though Dino Melaye is the flavor of the day or the flavor of the year, because now you now have Malam Nasir El Rufai now practicing his lyrics, dropping bars and dropping tracks to come and challenge Dino Melaye in the music field. So watch this clip.
Short court, Abumonibo, that part of Nigeria where we like to hear to. I know where you go, some call it to go, if you don't get money, you go hear show. One more, your turn. Alright, Nigeria, call, all day. Inside our fatherland. With love and strength and faith. Yo.
So there you heard Malam El Rufai. El Rufai, of all people, the steeped in the wool Islamic jingoist, dropping rap music, although he's using the Nigerian anthem as his baseline, but he even dropped a few yo-yo-yos in there. Can you imagine that? Malam point and shoot to kill. He's now trying to drop rap lyrics to show that he has a softer tone. But we have all already made up our mind about this mad Malam, of course, but really, I just brought you this video because it's a bit silly. It made me giggle, and I'm sure it'll give you a laugh too. So if you've had a laugh, then don't just laugh for free. Reward me by clicking on that red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well, just so you are notified whenever I drop a video. So once you've done both, come join me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.